Hey, it's Devin with A&L Motor Sales. Today we're going to go over how to check your tire pressure, your engine oil level, and when you're due for a service, all from inside the car. First, you're going to start on the home screen of the vehicle. You'll see an icon with car. In this menu, you'll select vehicle status. You'll see tire pressure monitor, engine oil level, check control messages, and required services. If a tire pressure reset is needed, select tire pressure monitor. You'll see the PSI of each tire on the vehicle. To perform a reset, select perform reset. You'll have to drive a few miles in order for the reset to take effect. Make sure the car is on and in park. To see your engine oil level, select engine oil level. In this menu, select engine oil measurement. This may take a few minutes, but on the screen, the engine oil measurement will be displayed. Next, in check control messages, this menu will display any alerts related to your vehicle. In the required services menu, you'll be able to see when you need an engine oil or brake fluid change or vehicle check. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.